Pilot Knob. It's a 1.2 mile trail. Takes just under an hour to reach the top. It's not mountain climbing, but if you come here, you and Daniel Boone will have climbed the mountain. This is looking south along the front of the Knob Range. That's direction of Irvine and the Kentucky River in the distance. Here I am looking more west, southwest, and you can see it opens up. And this would have been the Bluegrass region that Daniel Boone was referring to. And then if you look a little further out in between those pine trees, you can actually see an opening of Lullabrug Creek, where the Shawnee Village of Eskippakithiki once lay. So this would have been where Daniel Boone might have sought to see if it still existed. At least, this is where Findley, John Findley, the mysterious historic figure, in 1769, took Daniel Boone to try to find that village. Pretty nifty. John Findley disappeared from history soon thereafter. But you can come here and visit Eskippakithiki with Daniel Boone.
Morning light, it often sang a somber song. From the blockhouse they would come. Clark had won it, the Northwest was secure. Let's settle down here where the glaciers never stood. Flood of people pushing on along. 100,000 settled in a 1791. The river nights, they were so busy. River traffic was so strong. Morning light, it sang a building song. To the falls they had come. Cane Tuck, call this place my home. Mounds and hay fields and a plenty of room to roam. Any more pioneers, I hope they move along. This place is paradise, I'll defend it as my own. River nights that come so softly, the West has passed along. Morning light, it sings a different song. Down in Shelbyville where I'm from.